Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to cancel your Shopee order the right way, including how to request a cancellation, check your request status, and even withdraw your request if you change your mind. Whether you ordered the wrong item or just had second thoughts, I've got you covered. So let's get started. If you ever need to cancel your Shopee order, here's exactly what you can do. Go to your order details page, tap Cancel Order, select your cancellation reason, and hit Confirm to submit your request. Keep in mind, you can only make one cancellation request per order. If your request is denied or withdrawn, you won't be able to request another cancellation for that same order. You can also ask for a manual order cancellation directly from the seller through Shopee Chat, but the seller must approve it before the cancellation goes through. To see whether your cancellation request is being processed or approved, go to My Purchases, find your order, and select View Cancellation Details. If you changed your mind, simply tap Withdraw Request and hit Confirm. If needed, you can chat with the seller directly or file a return or refund request after receiving your item. Once your order is successfully canceled, your refund will be processed automatically by Shopee. And that's it. That's how you can easily cancel an order on Shopee, track your request, or withdraw it if needed. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful Shopee and online shopping tutorials. Leave a comment below if you want me to cover how to track your Shopee refund or delivery next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.